G.I.A Automotive. I'm doing a scan on this 2007 GMC Savana 3500 series. Now I'm going to show you the difference between my Autel Maxi Pro 808 scanner versus AutoZone scanner and anybody else's scanner that is not with this brand here. It's gonna read so much more, so let's get to it. I'll show you what it does. Auto scan automatically reads the VIN number. You hit OK. It's gonna tell you two-wheel drive, 3500, 6.0 liter engine, light duty truck. I said it was 07. He thinks it's an 07. He's told me it's an 07. The scanner just told me it's an 08. So it's very important information when you're getting parts. So now when we look down here, it's gonna read every module that is in existence in this car, and most cars have every single module here that it's displaying. Body control module, instrument cluster, panel, the radio. Alright, so let's go down the list. Electronic brake module, body control module, instrument panel cluster, engine control module, transmission control module. All these in red have a faulty code in them, and everything else has passed. You see, it reads from the radio to the anti-theft module, remote control door lock receiver. That's the airbag system. The module for the transmission, very important. It will give us codes for the module. If it's throwing out codes for that, we'll get them here. So let's go look at this one here. Read. To get a history one. Lost communication. He's been experiencing issues with the cables that come out to the battery, so we tighten those up and change them out. So escape. Let's see what kind of active testings we can do on this one. See, this one we can manually test the ABS motor. Every solenoid here, from the left to the right, front, rear, an outlet and an inlet solenoid. These are all bi-directional testings where you can test out, if it allows you to do so. You can troubleshoot different modules, door motors, window rear motors, actuators, motors for the blend doors and stuff like that. Alright, so this is where I'm coming after here. This is a current one. Here's a code. Anything with a B, it's going to be body control module issue, B264507, ambient light sensor circuit, high voltage. So this is if he doesn't start the van in about 3 days, he'll get an issue. And now we're gonna go after this system here. We're gonna keep that one current. We're not gonna erase that one. And basically, I'm not gonna erase any of them because I want to make sure that we are looking at every single one before we erase them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Always working on different types of cars. This is a heavy duty van. Doing a transmission flush on a different heavy duty van today. Cleared history. What I'm looking for is current. Anything that says current, that means it's an existing code. Device power 1, circuit low voltage. Alright, quick erase now because I got everything documented. And okay. Alright, that's how you do it. Guys, got any comments or questions? Go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. And you guys stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thank you very much for watching.